Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a forum channel on Discord in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the Create Channel button next to your category name to open the channel creation modal. A Create Channel window opens with several channel type options. For this example, I'm selecting Forum from the list. Now, type your forum name in the channel name field. For this example, I'm calling it Help and Support. Then click the Create Channel button at the bottom of the modal. The modal closes and your new forum channel is created in your server. Click on your new forum channel in the sidebar to open it. The forum channel view opens, showing an empty forum ready for members to start posting threads. You can access the channel settings from here to configure tags, guidelines, and posting permissions. If you want to add required tags before members can post, open your channel settings and go to the Tags section to create them. You can also set default reaction emojis that will appear on every new post in your forum. To change your forum's name or topic later, right-click the channel in the sidebar and select Edit Channel. Forum channels work best when you add a clear channel topic explaining what kinds of threads members should create there. And that's how to create a forum channel on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.